Okay, I'm going to show you this little microwave by Little Treasures. And it's pretty cute. It's got a little thing right here with a little cook on it. It says Delicacy Little Cook. It's got a little sticker right here that looks like buttons, you know. And a little sticker on this one that looks like a bunch of zeros, like a timer. It's got a little handle, and on the inside it's got a plate that has some food on it, and it spins around. It does take batteries, but it doesn't come with them, so they go in right here on the back, and you're going to need a screwdriver to get that open. Put your batteries in. And it has one simple little button, and it makes the food turn and it lights up. A cool thing is you can actually put stuff in there. This did not come with this toy, it came with a different one, but you could put it right on in there in the microwave, shut the door, turn it around. It kind of flies off, but so that's kind of fun. And that's pretty much all it does, but it's not quite the size of Play Kitchen, and it's way too big for a Barbie house, so it's kind of like in between. What do you think of it?
Good.
Yeah? What is it?
Good.
Do you remember what it is?
I don't know.
A microwave.
Microwave.
Yeah. You want to put the pot in there? Uh-oh.
You got cracked. This just cracked off.
Well, that's okay.
I can use both of them too. Let me use this one first.
You're just going to put the lid in there?
And then I will put the pot in there.
Can you show us to it?
Mm-hmm.
And push the button? Wow, look at it spinning around. That one works really well, huh?
It doesn't get off.
It does work really well. It doesn't fall off at all.
Oh.
Well, that's fun. What are you going to cook in your microwave?
I'm going to cook something.
What?
Let me cook some rice and until I put something pretend in there.
Oh, you're going to cook some rice in there? Pretend rice?
Uh-huh.
Cool. So do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so there you go. That is the little microwave by Little Treasures.